Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good evening from Jaipur. Tonight I'm going to take a walk around some of the back alleyways of Jaipur, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. Public urinals. So that roof I was on at the introduction of the video was actually the roof of a jewelry factory. I had somebody on the street tell me there's some pretty good views up there. So I went up there, and it's a factory for wholesale jewelry, but they get you into their office and they try to get you to buy jewelry or paintings. I knew that there was going to be some kind of thing like that. Not really a scam, just trying to get you to buy something. And the guy was very nice. Taught me a lot about jewelry, different kinds of stones. I told him maybe I'll come back and buy something. I probably won't, but I did get some good views up there and had a nice conversation with him. So here's my dinner. I got my thali, got some dal, some seasoned potatoes and aubergine, which looks pretty good, rice. This is kind of like a yogurt mixed with like puff rice, which is kind of like a dessert kind of thing. And then 5 roti to go along with it. And then I got my lassi, which is like a yogurt drink, sweetened yogurt drink, and then chai. So all of this cost 165 rupees. Which is about $2.32 US. So a pretty big meal, pretty delicious meal for pretty cheap. So that's it, everybody, for my walk around the back streets of Jaipur. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time.